Your coworker Sarah just posted photos from her second vacation this month. Cabo again. My name is Nick, and the answer is going to make you unreasonably angry.
Let me introduce you to two people. Person A, we'll call her Jessica. Person B, Amanda.
At age 35, Jessica has $162,000 invested. Amanda has $31,000. At age 45, Jessica has $535,000. Amanda has $94,000. At age 55, compound interest has officially gone vertical. Jessica has $152 million. At age 65, Jessica retires wealthy. Amanda is working until 72 minimum.
She invested $500 every single month starting at age 22. And
Amanda spent that same $500 on a car payment for her entire 20s and 30s. And the average American spends $273 per month on subscriptions they barely use. That $280 restaurant budget, if you invested it instead, becomes $632,000 in 30 years. The $273 subscription budget becomes $616,000 every single month you're choosing this. If you invest $500 every month for 40 years in an S&P 500 index fund, you end up with $3.116 million. The first $100,000 takes about 10 years of grinding. Going from $1 million to $2 million only takes 6.7 more years because your money is now making more money. Someone invests $5,000 per year from age 25 to 35, beats someone investing for 30 years starting late. But Nick, what if the market crashes? This is the objection that keeps smart people poor.
The S&P 500 has returned approximately 10% annually since 1926.
Every single crash has recovered. The 2020 COVID crash recovered in 5 months. If you missed just the 10 best days out of more than 5,000 trading days, your return drops to less than half. If you're investing $500 every month, crashes are your friend. Dollar cost averaging automatically buys more when prices are low. 46% of American households are sitting on zero retirement savings. It's not the math, it's your brain. Your brain prefers $500 today over $50,000 in 40 years, even though the math screams you're being an idiot. Research shows people who check their accounts once a year or never are far more likely to build wealth. Every time you get a raise, you immediately upgrade your life. The financial industry makes money when you panic and trade. $0 when you buy one index fund and ignore it. He bought dividend-paying stocks every single week for 70 years and never sold. Grace Groner bought 3 shares in 1935 and turned them into $7.2 million. Fidelity now has over 595,000 millionaires, with an average contribution rate of 14.1% of salary. Median retirement savings for Americans aged 65-74 is only $200,000. Social Security pays an average of $1,976 per month. 1 in 5 Americans over 65 is still working because they have to. They spent the $500 on car payments and restaurants and things that seemed important but don't exist anymore. People spend 40 hours researching a $1,200 phone and 0 hours figuring out how to turn $240,000 into $3 million. Buying a $90,000 BMW every 3 years costs more than actually being successful. If you invest $500 a month in a 0.03% expense ratio fund, you end up with $1.124 million. Step 1. Open a Roth IRA at Fidelity, Vanguard, or Schwab. Takes 20 minutes. Step 2. Link your bank and deposit money. Step 3. Buy one S&P 500 index fund, FXAIX, VO, or SWIPX. Step 4. Set up automatic monthly investment of $500. Step 5. Forget the account exists. Let it compound while you live your life. Every day you wait, the math gets exponentially worse. Right now, $500 a month for 40 years gets you $3.16 million. Wait 1 year, you need $520 per month. Wait 5 years, $690 per month. Wait 10 years, $150 per month. There's a version of you 40 years from now living free, and another struggling.
One emergency away from catastrophe, wondering where the money went.
The answer is car payments and DoorDash and subscriptions that seemed important.
The only thing that determines which one becomes real is what you do in the next 30 minutes.
Open the account, set up the transfer, buy the fund, then live your life while the math works. Or don't, and spend the next 40 years wishing you had.
The math doesn't wait, and neither does time.